Hello, welcome. In this video, I'll answer the question: what app store to use on your ASUS ExpertBook? So the choice is pretty much obvious. You should use the Microsoft Store, and I have found that most apps, for example, that I didn't expect to be here, for example, the OBS is here, and I believe some other apps made, and which wasn't the case back in the day, because I remember that the Microsoft Store was pretty much useless. But I mean, somehow still aren't here. But if you need, for example, Spotify or Netflix, you will find it here. Like most like phone apps will be here, so you can just download it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.